Okay, students, so today we are going to see the atomic structure because when we are dealing with atomic structure, we are referring back to microscopic scale, which is an atom. So from philosophical angle, from philosophical point of view, atoms were considered as a smaller part of an atom, and there was a very big controversy between the continuous and discontinuous nature of atom. What is the notion behind continuous? If you keep on reducing the size of any substance, you cannot reach to the point where you can stop, which is the continuous philosophy. And the discontinuous philosophy is all about, at certain point you cannot see the thing that you are reducing the size. And so these two streams, the continuous and the continuous and the discrete or discontinuous. This approach has got a very big fans from Democritus and Aristotle, and this is philosophical foundation. And according to Democritus, there is an atom, smaller part, where you cannot break it further. So John Dalton, considering his philosophical foundation, he was trying to formulate the theories of Dalton, scientific study. These are simply speculations. They are not supported by science. So when we are coming to this atomic structure, we can draw the atomic structure into proton, electron, neutron. This assumption was not assumption. This experimental breakthrough is obtained from different experiments. The first experiment, as you can see, the atomic structure. The objective is summarize the observed properties of cathode rays that led to the discovery of the electron. Electron is discovered by the interaction of electricity with matter. This interaction of electricity with matter has brought a new idea about electron. How was the experiment? We are going to see in a video after a while. So this video will help us to understand why. Let's see this video. So as you can see, in the given apparatus, we have a cathode ray tube, and one end of the cathode ray is sealed and the tube is vacuumed, and the other end is also connected. It makes a complete circuit. And if you see the demonstration in the video, when current is on, can you see? This glowing thing that emanates from cathode to anode, this beam of particle, later given a name called electron, but let's consider for a moment it is beam of electron. So the beam of electron, this beam of electron, So in this beam of electron, as you can see, this beam is affected by the magnetic field. When it approaches the beam gets far away, and when the magnet gets away, the beam becomes straight. What indication this beam give us? It can be affected. So this beam has a charge. So this charge is negative charge. So a negative charge, this beam has negative charge. So what has been done in Thomson model, J.J. Thomson, he was able to determine the charge to mass ratio. As you can see in the video, this magnetic field can easily deviate the passage of this beam of electron. So one can say, according to Thomson, the charge to mass ratio is very high. So he was able to determine the charge to mass ratio of that substance, that particle. In the next video, we are going to see the structure. You see now. Okay, let's see the next slide. As you can see, the structure of matter summarizes the experiment carried by. So in the previous experiment, we have electron, the beam of electron, and next we are going to see about Rutherford experiment of gold foil experiment. So let's have a video of this one, and we'll continue after a while. So this is a video.
While performing experiments on radioactivity.
So this is the video of gold foil experiment. It's made by Rutherford and his co-workers. He was able to say regarding this experiment, there is a plum pudding model, and this model is all about the discovery of nucleus, how this nucleus is made. We are going to see in the next video. As you can see, stream of particles are heading to the gold foil, and the gold foil, some part of them are deflected, and this deflection is due to the heavy particles. Look in the atomic structure. So as it passes through the atoms, we can see there is a big deflection when it passes between the nucleus. So from this experiment, he was able to say many things, like we are going to see. Let's finish this video and discuss about the nature.